Welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Valorant account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in valorant.com, and once you're in this website, tap on the option play free and then tap on sign in. Now you'll have to enter your username. After that, scroll down and then tap on can't sign in. Now scroll down and then tap on forgot password. Now enter your username and then tap on this arrow icon. Now they will send a mail to your email address. As you can see, the mail has arrived. Open the mail, scroll down and then click on the link they've provided. Now you can enter a new password for your account. So simply enter a new password, then confirm it in the box below. Once you've done that, tap the arrow icon and there you have it. You have successfully changed the password of your Valorant account or your Riot account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.